In the previous video, we programmed a slot that was straight. Let's now talk about programming a slot that has an arc to it. On the Start tab, the only difference is we're going to pull down the Shape menu and select Arc. We're still going to give it the width and the start point in X and Y. Under Geometry, we now have a few other features. We have X and Y center that it wants to know. We could put in the X and Y value if we know it. Or we can use sweep angle and radius, which is what has been done here in this case. We'd put the sweep angle of 60 degrees. It's on a radius of 3 inches, and the center point of the arc is at 0, 0. The caps can be appended, included, or aligned just like they were in the straight slot. So the only real difference is the Geometry tab has a few more fields that we can enter in information, and we're using this as a arced slot instead of a straight slot. In the slot plate print, let's program the 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock position slot, and then using loop rotate as a pattern, we can create the other two slots that are necessary. As always, there's a video for programming this slot plate step by step that you can look at for reference if necessary.